Hello and welcome to the finals of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In the final, we have Plasma X versus Alkonos, and it has appeared for a while that these two planes were on a crash course towards each other. Both of them have posted flights over 150 feet and dominated their competitor in the semifinals. Which of these two planes will win, though, is anyone's guess. So let's see them in action. 3, 2, 1, go! And with that, we have our winner, not only of today's matchup, but of the entire tournament. Alkonos is our champion. Now, Plasma X put up an incredible fight, but Alkonos has proven itself to be a deserving champion. Not only did it perform slightly better than Plasma X today, but it has performed better throughout the tournament, dropping fewer points to its competitors. And with that, Paper Aces 2023 comes to a close in dramatic fashion. If you would like to learn how to fold Plasma X or Alkonos, just click on those videos on the left side of your screen. And if you'd like to rewatch any part of the tournament, just click on that playlist on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.